What's up guys, this is Kentak M134 bringing you another video, just pretty much an update, and this is just showing you my pre-installation of my new short ram intake. I'm just putting everything together in it, and just make sure it's snug, that when it's you're on the road, it's not gonna come off, so but not screw it too tight, or else it's gonna snap. So right here, I'm just putting the new air filter, because that other one, the red one that I had before, it was too dirty, but I know I can actually wash it down, clean it, but when I bought it, it comes with a filter, so might as well use that one. What's up guys, here you go after the installation. This is just an update of the previous short ram intake that I actually improvised to install, but now I actually got an actual pipe here, the tube. I'm not sure what it's called, but just plug it in there. The sensors are O2 sensors are right there, and I got a new filter, kind of just a little improviser. It was actually long, the pipe, so I cut it a little bit short, but let me just turn on the car and let you guys hear how it sounds. Alright, there you go guys. I don't even hear me anymore because I actually have a muffler now too, so I'll just give you guys a quick thing here. Yeah, that's about it guys, so catch you later.